In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix failed re-authenticating on ScarletCloud. Now, while trying to download Scarlet, you guys may have noticed a false positive OTP issue where you enter in the OTP and then it shows failed re-authenticating while sending another OTP code to your number. This issue has been prominent and is a known bug in ScarletCloud, and this is an issue that I kept facing specifically until I did these steps. Firstly, make sure that iTunes or Apple devices, any one of them works, is in fact downloaded. I would highly recommend using iTunes, however, making sure it's not the iTunes one from Microsoft Store, and that's important because it can cause extra bugs. And the reason why I say to use iTunes is that you can sign into iTunes. So for example, what you guys have to do is open up your iTunes and then click on account over here, and then you guys will have to sign in. And I don't really know if Apple devices you can sign in because I don't really use Apple devices. However, you guys can check that for yourself in the Apple devices app setting. Also, one quick note, if you guys get the failed re-authenticating notification once you enter in the one-time code, make sure that you guys do not keep trying until you do all the things that I mentioned in this video, since it can get your number blocked temporarily. That's actually happened to me 4 different times where I got my number blocked for the entire day and was not able to receive any one-time passcodes. So make sure that you guys do not do that. Anyways, the next thing you guys are going to do is to sign into iCloud as well, making sure that the email you sign in with iCloud is the exact same email that you're trying to add in ScarletCloud. This is key, otherwise it simply will not work. And I noticed that this was the fix that actually got my ScarletCloud working. So if you guys don't know, you guys can just click on iCloud over here, and then you guys can just click on open iCloud settings. And a lot of people miss out on this. They simply just install iCloud without signing in. And for me, what my issue was that I was signed in with a different Apple ID for iCloud, and that's why it wasn't working. So I signed out, and then I changed my email to the exact one that I was trying to put in ScarletCloud, and then it eventually ended up working. If you guys are already signed into iCloud, then just make sure you guys try signing out, re-sign back in, and then just try again. Also, make sure that the iTunes account that you sign in with is also the same as well. I would just recommend doing that, although I'm not sure if it makes too much of a difference. And then make sure that iTunes and iCloud are the most updated versions of themselves. And so to do this, all you guys really have to do is just go into Google Chrome or any other browser and just go to the SideStore website. I'll leave it in the description down below. And you guys just want to click on download iTunes and download iCloud here. And if everything else does not work, then just make sure that you guys try doing all the same steps I mentioned, but with a different Apple ID, and then it should work. And I would highly recommend using a different Apple ID anyways, like a burner Apple ID, just in case if you guys want to be safe, and it should work from there. Anyways, I hope this video helped. Please leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more ScarletCloud error fixes, then leave them down in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer as many as I can. And thanks for watching.